Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to try and create a ribbing effect with the plastic wrap filter in Photoshop. The first thing that I'm going to do is on my already pasted in outlines, I'm going to select my wand tool and select this base area where I'm going to put the ribbing. I'm then going to go down to create a new layer, and I'm just going to apply a fill of a light blue color. So already I've got that color selected, but if you want to change it, you can double click on that, select the color that you want, and then go to the paint bucket. Make sure that you're in that new layer that you've created, and then click on that and it will fill up that area. You can exit out of the selection process, and then we'll just call this one base. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to go create the line work that we've done in Illustrator. So this is the line work over here, and that's the ribbing effect that I want to create. At the moment I've got it as a black outline and then a white fill. I'm going to change that so it is a white outline and it has no fill. I'm also going to increase my stroke weight so that it is 2 points instead of just 1. Alright, once I've done that, I've selected the line work that I want. I'm going to go Command C to copy, and then transfer into Photoshop, and Command V to paste, and I'll paste it as pixels. Double click to select that, and then as I bring that down onto that layer, you can see the white effect that it has over there. I'm just lining it up so it's lined up with that base layer, and then I'm going to actually merge these two layers together. So click on the new layer that you've brought in and also the base layer, right click and merge layers. We'll just call this ribbing so we don't get confused later on. So that's the layer that we've created. The next step is to go into the filter, and under artistic we can go to plastic wrap. Over here we've got a preview, and you can see already that it creates quite an interesting effect, almost looking as if it's starting to wrap around it, and you can play around with how much highlights you want versus what the detail is, but I think it creates quite a realistic effect, so you can play around with that. Once you're happy with it, you can press OK, and there you've got that sort of impact, like it is wrapping around.